How to read with your child, a guide explaining phonics and early reading to give you the confidence to help your child. Phonemes are the sounds that make up words. For example, in the word mat, there are 3 sounds or phonemes, m, at. In reading, children master blending the sounds to make a word, m, at, mat. We start with simple words made up of consonant, vowel, consonant sounds like dog. Graphemes are the letters used to write a phoneme. There are approximately 250 graphemes in the English language. We start with single letter sounds. A says ah. Then we teach some digraphs. These are 2 letters that make one sound. For example, S and H say sh. Then we teach trigraphs. What makes English so confusing is the fact that phonemes can be made with more than one grapheme, such as A can be made using AY, AI, A, or several others. And one grapheme can make more than one phoneme. For example, double O can say oo as in moon, or as in book. Then we have tricky words. These are words that don't follow common spelling rules. There are a lot of these in English. Children can use some phonic knowledge to help decode these words, but will need to learn the word as a whole without sounding out each phoneme. As a parent, it is useful for you to know which graphemes your child knows. That way you understand which words they can read independently and which words they need help with. This is the order we teach the graphemes, starting with set 1. Set 2 introduces graphemes for the remaining 44 phonemes. The graphemes are A, E, I, O, U, R, or, ow, and oi. Set 3 introduces common alternative graphemes. The graphemes are E, oi, A, I, O, U, or, ow, a, o, u, you. You are ready to start reading with your child. Whenever your child gets stuck, you can help with blending. For example, finger. Unknown graphemes. Graphemes that children have read as an alternative sound, such as ow as in cow, instead of o as in bow, and tricky words.